Okay, what I'm gonna do? We're gonna make a tornado. So we're gonna make a tornado. Okay, what's the first step? Fill the bottle with water. Say, fill the bottle with water. Fill the bottle with water. Step 2. Squat in some soup. Squat in some soup. Squat in some soup. Put them on. Okay. Step 3. Put them on. Squeeze in some vinegar. No. Take the lid off. Take the lid off. Okay. Step 4. Put the lid on tight. Put the lid on tight. Okay, so tight. Put the lid on tight. Step 5. Shake and swirl the bottle. Oh! Okay? Yeah. Good job. One more time. Now, it's a tornado. It's a tornado. One more time. Oh, it's a tornado. Say, I'm making tornado. Okay, one more time. Shake. What is it? It's a tornado. Tornado. Good job.